So I'm busy designing my website right now, and I came across a font on a website that I really like, but I don't know the name of the font. So I found out the solution, and I'm going to show you how to find out the name of any font on any website. Stick around, I'll show you how.
So once you open up Google, type in what font Chrome extension. Okay, once you have that open, then open up this page, and there'll be a button here that says install. Now I already have this extension installed, as you can see here. So let's test it out. Let's go to a website. So what you need to do is click on this extension, and then you'll be able to see the fonts used in the website. All you do is hover over the font, and you can see this font is called Noto Serif. This is called Josephine Sans. This is called Noto Serif. So let's test out another website. So if I hover over the font, you can see this is called Lotto. This is called Lotto. This is called Lotto. This is called Lotto as well. This font is different. This is called Fajala One. That's a funny name, but yeah. Let's say you wanted to use this font called Lotto. You wanted to use this font in your website. So you can go to a website called fontsquirrel.com. And this website allows you to download fonts for free. And you can see it says 100% free for commercial use. So let's search for this font called Lotto. And there's the font called Lotto. You can see it has 18 styles. So it probably has italics, all different types of styles. And then you click this download button, and then you'll have the font downloaded to your computer. You open it and it should be installed. It should be installed into your operating system, and then you can use it on your blog or your website. So this is week 3 of my 12-week year, and if you don't know what my 12-week year refers to, please check out my previous video. I'll leave an end card on the screen above, so you can click on that and I'll tell you exactly what the 12-week year is all about. But this is my week 3 review. This is from January 15th to January 21st. And this is my goal for week 3, is to read 12 books in 12 weeks. That's one of my goals. And this is the action step that I need to take. Read a few pages every day. So this is due every day, and I did it. So I got a score of 100%. As long as I keep my score at 85% or more, then I'll be able to achieve this goal. But I'm pretty confident I'll achieve it. Then my second goal is to create 1 blog post, 1 podcast episode, and 2 videos, and also to post on social media 20 times a day, Monday to Friday, 10 times a day, Saturday and Sunday. And as you can see, these are the action steps that I need to take. I didn't create a blog post, so I gave my score here is 0. I didn't create a podcast episode, again score 0. I didn't create 2 videos, and I didn't post on social media. So here my score is 0. And in order to achieve this goal, I need to get a score of 85%. So I'm behind on this goal. So let's check out week 4. Week 4 is from January 22nd to January 28th. And again, my first goal is to read 12 books in 12 weeks. I did that. I read pages every day, and I got a score of 100%. My second goal, I didn't do a blog post, so that's 0. I didn't do a podcast episode, so that'll be 0 as well. I didn't do a blog post, I didn't do a podcast episode. I did create 2 videos, so I'll give myself a score of 100% there. And I didn't post on social media, so I'll give myself my score of 0. So as you can see, my score is automatically calculated here, and it's 25%. I need to get 85% in order to achieve this goal. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button, subscribe, click that bell button so that you get notified when I upload videos. And if you need any help, please leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Peace.